Can you imagine a future where artificial intelligence revolutionizes the field of forensic engineering? Picture a world where this isn't just a concept, but an everyday reality. Already we see artificial intelligence playing an increasingly significant role in forensic engineering, and it's not just about the future, it's happening right here, right now. AI is transforming everything from the way we analyze data to how we conduct investigations, making the process not only more efficient but significantly safer as well. It's like adding a new member to the team, one that never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and can sift through mountains of data in the blink of an eye. The benefits are enormous. Think about the time saved, the accuracy improved, and the potential for human error drastically reduced. It's a revolution in safety and efficiency, and it's just getting started. To understand the real impact of AI, let's look at a real-life case study. Consider the case of a large-scale infrastructure collapse that occurred recently. It brought to the fore an unprecedented challenge: the need for swift identification of structural faults, rapid data analysis, and determination of the cause of failure. In a conventional setup, this would have been a time-consuming and painstaking process. But enter artificial intelligence, and the landscape of forensic engineering was transformed. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a game-changer in this situation. By employing AI algorithms, engineers were able to quickly identify the structural faults. These algorithms scanned through terabytes of data from the collapsed structure, pinpointing anomalies with an accuracy that would have been impossible for human investigators to achieve in such a short span of time. But AI didn't stop at just identifying the faults. It went a step further. Through rapid data analysis, AI made it possible to determine the cause of the failure. Machine learning models were trained on thousands of